mystery.
A local mystery.
A theater called.
What is it called?
Typewriter Dynasty.
I don't think that's the name. I think it's Dynasty.
Dynasty Typewriter. Oh yeah, I know it very well. I've seen shows there. It's Dynasty Typewriter. It's a great theater, but why is it called Dynasty?
Nobody knows why it's called Dynasty.
How do you decide who rules it? And typewriter? What is a typewriter?
Yeah, we know what a typewriter is.
We know what that is, but
the two things combined
does that
are
work?
such a mystery.
But we're playing a show there.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what's important.
We're
Please
playing
get
a
your
show.
tickets. And if you don't live in LA,
Don't live in LA.
don't worry, there's a live stream. I'm cupping my mouth so you can hear me from so far away.
Like where?
Australia.
Australia.
That's the farthest place I can think of. Or Istanbul.
Istanbul.
That's pretty far.
Or Santa Monica.
Santa Monica.
You could watch the live stream.
But it would be nice if you came. It's not so far. But we would understand.
We would understand.
Dynasty Typewriter.
November 16th.
Oh, yeah.
at Dynasty.
Good to say the date. Good job, Typewriter. We'll see you there.
We'll see you there.
You can't come for free, but we will solve this mystery. Actually, our show's not at all about that. It's about our wedding and stuff, and it's very good, but it's not about the name of the theater.
But it could be.